Did you know that interest in homesteading and self-sufficient living has grown by over 65% in the past 3 years? More people than ever are looking for ways to take control of their food, energy, and lifestyle. And you can join them, no matter where you live or how much land you have. Welcome back to SurvivalScope. I'm Larry, and today we're exploring why so many people are turning to homesteading and how you can get started on your own self-sufficient journey. Whether you're a city dweller with a balcony or you've got acres of land, there's never been a better time to start building your homestead. Why homesteading is gaining popularity. Let's break down the reasons behind this incredible growth. Food security. With supply chain issues and empty shelves becoming more common, people want to know where their food comes from. Economic uncertainty, rising prices, and job instability make self-sufficiency a smart financial move. Sustainability. More families want to reduce their environmental impact and live closer to nature. Health and wellness. Growing your own food means fresher, healthier meals for your family. Community and connection. Homesteading brings people together, both online and in local groups. I'll share some stories from viewers and fellow homesteaders who've made the leap and how it's changed their lives. How to start your homesteading journey. You don't need a farm or a huge backyard to start homesteading. Here's how to take your first steps, no matter your situation. Start small. Grow herbs on your windowsill, or plant a few vegetables in containers on your balcony. Learn basic skills. Try your hand at composting, preserving food, or making simple repairs. Build your pantry, stock up on staple foods, and learn how to store them for the long term. Connect with others. Join online communities, local gardening clubs, or attend workshops to learn from experienced homesteaders. Set realistic goals. Decide what matters most to you: food, energy, water, or all three, and focus on one project at a time. I'll share my own experience starting from scratch, including mistakes I made and lessons learned along the way. Real-life inspiration. Meet Sarah, a viewer who started with just a few pots of herbs and now runs a thriving urban homestead. Or John, who turned his suburban backyard into a productive garden and chicken coop. Their stories prove that anyone can start homesteading, no matter their background or resources. Overcoming common challenges. Homesteading isn't always easy. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Limited space. Use vertical gardening, container planting, or community garden plots. Budget constraints. Start with inexpensive seeds, repurpose materials, and learn DIY skills. Time management. Set aside a few minutes each day for your projects. Every little bit adds up. Learning curve. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every homesteader starts as a beginner. The rewards of homesteading. Homesteading isn't just about survival. It's about thriving. The rewards include fresh, healthy food right at your doorstep, a sense of accomplishment and independence, stronger connections with your family and community, peace of mind knowing you can take care of yourself no matter what happens. If you're inspired to start your own homesteading journey, remember, it's never too late to begin. Start small, learn as you go, and enjoy the process. Let me know in the comments, what is your first homesteading project? Have you already started your journey? Share your stories and questions. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's curious about homesteading, and subscribe to SurvivalScope for more tips on prepping, survival, and building a self-sufficient life.